Ever searched for something weird on YouTube? Maybe a friend hijacked your phone or you fell down a bizarre video rabbit hole at 3 a.m. Now your homepage is a mess and you're getting recommendations you have zero interest in. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to erase that history on your phone and computer, and even better, how to stop YouTube from tracking your searches in the future. Let's get this fixed. We've all been there. 1 minute, you're learning how to fix a leaky faucet, and the next, YouTube thinks you're a professional alligator wrestler who only binges videos about competitive cheese rolling. It's frustrating, a little embarrassing, and it completely torpedoes the personalized experience YouTube is supposed to give you. But the good news? Fixing this is super simple. Today, I'm giving you the complete step-by-step guide to reclaiming your YouTube account and your sanity. We're going to cover everything. First, we'll wipe your history on a computer. Then we'll do the same thing on your mobile phone, which works for both Android and iPhone. But we're not just cleaning up a past mess. We're going to prevent it from happening again. I'll show you how to pause your search history so YouTube stops recording your activity. And for a final bonus, we'll cover the ultimate privacy tool, Incognito Mode. And here's the best part. Because all your YouTube history is tied to your Google account, you only have to do this once. Delete it on your phone, and it's gone from your computer, your smart TV, everywhere you're signed in. Ready? Let's start with the desktop. All right, let's kick things off on your desktop or laptop. This is the quickest way to get a bird's eye view of your history. First, open your web browser and go to youtube.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, the one you want to clean up. On the left-hand menu, click on History. This will show you a list of videos you've watched. On the right side of this screen, you'll see a menu. Click on Manage All History. This is your command center. You're now on your Google My Activity page, specifically for YouTube. This page lists every video you've watched and everything you've ever searched for. To wipe the slate clean, look for the Delete button. Click it. You'll get a few choices: Delete Today, Delete Custom Range, or the big one, Delete All Time. If you just want to erase a few questionable searches from today, choose that option. But for a total reset to fix your recommendations, Delete All Time is what you want. A final confirmation window will pop up warning you that this is permanent. That's what we're here for. Click Delete one last time to confirm. And just like that, your YouTube search and watch history is gone. What if you just want to remove a single embarrassing search? On that same history page, instead of hitting the big delete button, just scroll down and find the entry you regret. To the right of it, click the small X icon, confirm, and it's gone forever without affecting anything else. Okay, desktop is done, but let's be real. Most of us live on our phones, right? Here's how to do it there. The process is pretty much identical for both Android and iPhone. First, pop open the YouTube app. In the bottom right corner, tap on your profile picture where it says You. Next, tap the little gear icon in the top right corner to open your settings. In the settings menu, find and tap on Manage All History. You'll see this takes you to the same Google My Activity page we saw on the desktop, just formatted for mobile. Your entire account history is all in one place. Just like on the desktop, tap the Delete button. You'll get the same options: Delete Today, Delete Custom Range, or Delete All Time. For that total refresh, select Delete All Time. Confirm your choice on the final pop-up, and you're done. Your history is officially erased across all your devices. And yes, you can also scroll through this list and tap the X icon next to individual items to delete them one by one. Now that we've cleaned up the past, let's talk about the future. Deleting your history is a good reset, but it's reactive. If you want to stop the mess from happening in the first place, you can tell YouTube to stop saving your activity altogether. Let's start on your computer. Go back to your Manage All History page. YouTube, then History, then Manage All History. This time, look for the Controls tab. Click it. You'll see a section for YouTube History, which is likely on. Inside, you'll find separate toggles for Include the YouTube videos you watch and Include your searches on YouTube. You can turn off one or both. To stop your searches from being saved, just turn that toggle off. A window will pop up explaining the trade-off: more privacy, but less personalized recommendations. Click Pause to confirm. You can do the same thing on your phone. From the YouTube app, go to You, then Settings, then Manage All History, then Controls. tap the toggle for search history, and hit pause. Pro tip: set it and forget it. On that same controls page, you'll also see an option for auto delete. You can set your account to automatically delete your history after 3, 18, or 36 months. This is a great set it and forget it feature to keep your account tidy without having to think about it. Incognito mode for temporary privacy. Pausing your history is great for long-term privacy, but what if you just want to look something up without it ever hitting your account? For that, there's incognito mode. Think of it as a temporary private session. While it's on, none of your searches or the videos you watch are saved to your account. It's perfect for letting a friend use your phone without wrecking your recommendations. Activating it on your phone is incredibly easy. Open the YouTube app and tap your profile icon, You. Right there at the top, you'll see Turn on Incognito. Tap it. Your screen will change and you'll see the incognito icon and a bar at the bottom saying You're incognito. When you're done, just tap the incognito icon and select Turn off Incognito to go back to normal. On a desktop, YouTube doesn't have a dedicated incognito button. Instead, you just use your browser's private browsing feature. Open a new incognito window in Chrome or a private window in Firefox or Edge, then go to YouTube. Crucially, for this to work, make sure you don't sign in to your Google account in that window. That way, nothing you do can be tied back to you. So there you have it, a full guide to taking back control of your YouTube experience. We've learned how to delete your history on both desktop and mobile, how to proactively pause history tracking, and how to use incognito mode for a quick, private session. No more weird recommendations, just a clean, fresh YouTube feed that you control. If this video helped you clean up your digital life, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. And for more simple tech tutorials just like this one, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your fresh start on YouTube.